In this video, I'm going to show you how to mount an exterior light to a vinyl sided house. This is a mounting block, and it allows you to mount the exterior light up there without pinching the vinyl siding or creating any kind of water ingress that would rot out your siding underneath. And here's the kit. It is by Arlington. It is a siding mount kit for 1/2-inch lap vinyl siding. As you can see on the cover there, they have different sizes for different size vinyl overlaps there. And the kit pretty much comes complete. It has a little grommet that grabs onto the wire, a couple screws, and as you can see there, it has a little notch that it fits perfectly against the vinyl siding. Here's where I had to drill through, which happened to be a header for my garage door. After measuring carefully on the exterior, I was able to punch a hole through and feed a wire in there. And on the exterior, this is what it looked like. I applied a little bit of silicone caulking to that wire to keep any type of water from getting in. And that's what it looks like all mounted up. It's just a couple screws. You do the screws as tight as you need to, not to pinch this vinyl siding. The little hole on the bottom there is to let any water out if any water does happen to get in there. And here it is after being mounted. I have it mounted with some caulking around the outside there, and the light's all ready to go. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.